Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ala habibi Muhammadin wa alayhi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum students. You must be fine hopefully today. Today we will study IELTS, some introduction. Okay. IELTS is basically the abbreviation of IELTS is International English. I stands for international. E stands for English, this is. L stands for language, and T stands for testing, S stands for system. So IELTS is basically International English Language Testing System, which is widely recognized as a reliable, as a trustable source, means of or source of assessing or testing the language ability of students or candidates who need to study or work. Okay, now who need to study or work where English is the language of communication. Okay, these practice tests are designed to give give a relevant future, give try to give future IELTS candidates an idea, designed to give future IELTS candidates an idea of whether the English is at the required level. Okay, this is level. Okay, it's level. Okay, basically it is a test. It is a test of testing the English level. Okay, okay, whether the students comes up to the required level of English. Okay. The British Council, and IDP Education PVT Private Limited, through its subsidiary company IELTS, conducts it. Okay, IELTS is owned by three partners: the University of Cambridge, ESOL Examinations, the University of the Cambridge, okay, Australia, PVT Limited, okay, PTY Limited, PTY, that was also PTY. Okay, that was PTY Limited. Okay. Further information on IELTS can be found on IELTS website, that is www.ielts.org. Okay. Next one is, what is the test format? Okay. IELTS consists of 6 components. There are 6 components of IELTS. All students or candidates take same listening and speaking, whether it's general or it's academic. They have same listening and speaking. Okay. Reading and writing, they are different tests. Okay. Listening and speaking tests are same for all the students. Okay. There is a choice of reading and writing tests according to whether candidates is taking the academic or general training module. Okay. So the test format for academic is for candidates wishing to study at undergraduate or postgraduate levels, and for those seeking professional registration, they appear in academic test. Okay. And general training is for candidates wishing to migrate to an English-speaking country, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, UK, and for those wishing to train or study at below degree level. Okay, so this general training is for the candidates who want to migrate. It's for migration candidates who want to migrate to the English speaking countries. Okay, so academic is a bit tough test as compared to general training, because it's quite a bit easy as compared to academic one. Okay, listening and speaking, they are same for both. Okay, the test components are taken in the following order. Academic reading, there are 3 sections in academic reading. There are 40 items, mean 40 questions, and you are supposed to solve them within 60 minutes. Okay, within 1 hour or 60 minutes. Then in academic writing, there are 2 tasks and 60 minutes. One is a small task, that is 20 minutes, and another is a long, that is argumentative task. Okay, first one is descriptive task, then another one is argumentative task. Okay, in which you are supposed to give an argument about a topic. Then listening, it has 4 sections and 40 items. Okay, and approximately 30 minutes are given in listening. Okay, next one is speaking. Speaking has got 11 to 40 minutes duration. Total test time is 2 hours and 44 minutes. General training reading, there are 3 sections and 40 items, but they are comparatively a bit easy in 60 minutes as compared to academic reading. Okay, general training writing, again it has got 2 tasks. Okay, one is letter, then there is, I think, another that is a paragraph or something like that. Okay, so this is, you can say, a general training writing. Okay, that's what IELTS is. I'll give you further information about the IELTS in next coming my ideos or my videos. Okay, till then, if you have any questions regarding it, let me know. Okay, I'll definitely you can say address your questions. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz.